Buff's logistics experience has him all excited for a package coming from Mexican Spec. And the post office tracking says it's here. He's been watching tracking, and we don't know if it's in the mailbox or out front.
Better than that. I was on Tavo's, watching one of Tavo's videos. Mexican Spec just happened to be there at the same time, and he goes, "How'd you like the surprise?" And I'm like, "Oh, it's here." So here I am.
Let's hope it's in the mailbox. Oh, it's in the mailbox. It's a package. Oh, it's got his real name on it.
It's got names on there. Well, I'm not going to show anybody's names, but we got other stuff with names. Okay, so we're gonna we got a knife in the house. We'll go in the house and we'll open it. Oh, I know what this is. Look at the size. It's 6 inches by 12 inches.
Oh, it's a license plate.
I bet it's a license plate. God, it looks like it cost $150 to send it, but it didn't. It's 150 pesos. I don't know how much that is. Okay, I gotta be careful.
In freedom units.
I gotta be careful not to hurt anything inside the box. Oh, come on. Oh, God. It's right there, too. I don't want to hurt it. As usual, Mexican Spec packs things so they don't get hurt. I don't always open things so I don't get hurt. Okay, maybe just be like a gorilla. I can't gorilla through his tape. I guess
Anti-gorilla tape?
Oh, this is like tough stuff. Real Mexican tape, not probably. You probably have Chinese tape. Oh, God, look at this. Look at this. After he sent this, I was asking him about Mexican license plates. I had no idea he'd already sent me.
I can see you're actually excited about it now.
Yeah, well, it's what packed so well. Like this, I've got all kinds of license plates. I even have a couple of Russian plates. I have plates from Europe. I've got a few military plates that are old type military plates. Never had a Mexican plate. Look at this, Nuevo Leon, and then this says Sin. So I guess it's Sinaloa.
Oh, I like that one.
That's got no date on it, so I have no idea when that's from. And this one, see something I do know about Mexican license plates. Oh, this is really new. I don't know what year it is. They have these little things on here that's like a little thing they add to them. I've noticed that. And this one has it too. And I don't know if that's what makes it valid or what, but I know those things are on there. I'm sure he'll tell us about it. But, oh man, this is great.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So,
thank you, Mexican Spec.
Yeah, this is like I couldn't imagine what you sent me. But this is really good. Now, you know, the shop has got to the point where we get so much on the walls and shelving that there's no wall to put license plates on. Because I always figured those walls would be covered with license plates. And they're not. They're covered with shelves. But we need the shelf. So I'm going to have to, maybe somewhere here in the studio somehow. I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. You know what we might do is put not all, because I got too many, put a lot of license plates on a big, like a 4x8 sheet of plywood or something, and get pictures of it. And then when we've got the green screen back here, we can put all those license plates up when we're live as a background. Yeah, let's do that.
Sounds cool.
Mexican Spec, really cool thing. Thank you, sir. Like it.